All right, product research. So all of you guys are gonna get a list, right? Like this one from your supplier. I mean, from your product list, OA beans, OA deals. If you have a VA, or our team's leads list. Oh, oh man.
Where do we find that leads list? I'm sorry. The team leads list? I see that.
It's in our group.
Okay.
Yeah. One sec. What happened to my... Right there. You guys see it? You guys see it, right? My screen?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And from here, you open up your Amazon link and your supplier link. And then you set up your seller amp. So go to seller amp, you click on settings here. And then you go to the bottom. And your additional cost would be updated. So it's $2.60 on your prep fee, because we're paying $1 to Amazon and $1.60, right, for prep cost. And then it's gonna be 0% because we're using our new prep center in Oregon. Make sense? So $2.60 here, $1 for Amazon shipping, and $1.60 for the prep cost, and then 0% here because we don't pay taxes in Oregon with their prep center, and then save. Oh, what happened there? Oh, what? Sorry. And save. No.
Hey, Lewis.
Uh-huh.
If I'm gonna start prepping my own stuff, do I take that fee out also or no? The miscellaneous fee, or is it still a
Oh,
fee?
so your miscellaneous fee would be your tax in Florida.
Mm,
You have sales tax, right? In Florida, you do, right?
think so.
So it's like 8%.
How do I know that? Can I Google
Florida
that?
doesn't have sales tax.
They do?
They don't.
They don't? Oh, really? So it's 0?
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
Florida
Florida's
zero.
0.
Florida zero.
0, okay.
Yeah.
So Florida's 0.
He changed
Then
that.
your prep fee would be about the same. So you're still paying $1 to Amazon and about $1.60 for your prep cost. Your boxes, your tapes, your stickers. Yeah. So yeah. 260 here and 0% here. And then save. And then from here. Oh, refresh. And then from here, you just compare the products if they match. So I usually look at the color, the title, description, size. So zoo insulated little kid food jar. Skip pop. Okay, zoo. So it's a dog. Dog. Same product? Okay, same product. Same product, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Same product. And then the style is dog, so click on dog. And then from here, you click on the cost. So it's $18. You plug in your cost here. $18. And then your sale price would be Amazon's price.
Mhm.
So which is about $27.90, $28. So for this product, you're gonna be at a negative, right? So this one's a skip. You guys got it? Carolyn? Tyson?
I got it.
Got it right? Okay, just making sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one is a skip because the ROI is negative.
Okay.
So here you type skip, negative ROI. Oh,
So your order would be like, first you open up your,
uh-huh,
like OA deals, then you open up Amazon, then the
Right.
seller app.
right. So click on Amazon and then click on your supplier website. Have you installed your seller app in Keepa or no?
Have I did what?
Have you installed it or no?
Yeah,
You did?
I install it, yeah. I mean, it's on, I mean, I just sign into it. I don't know what you mean by install.
So you would just go to seller amp, and then Chrome extension
Okay,
on your Chrome, okay?
okay,
And then you click here. And then you just add to Chrome here.
okay, gotcha.
Yeah, same with your Keepa.
And do keep it like that too.
Yeah, so Keepa Chrome extension. Where's that? And then add to Chrome.
Okay,
And then once you do, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be on your Amazon page itself.
okay,
So seller app is
Thanks.
this and Keepa is this one. Oh. Right there's Keepa.
okay,
Yeah. And then from there, just kind of follow along, you know?
okay,
So click on you click on your Amazon page, and then click on your supplier page. And then make sure they match. So check the photos, the title, description.
oh, I don't get
One second. This one has a 40% off on our website. What is this? All right. Oh, they have a sale. Oh, okay. So these are on sale products. You can see what I did, right? So I went to the website, I saw a sale. And then now there's products here on sale. And then here, there's a 15% off right here. You guys see it?
Yes,
So just look for discounts from different websites. So I'm gonna use it for this one. So okay. So I did the same first. So zoo unicorn. Okay, same products, right? It's $18. So I plug 18 here. And then if you guys want to use the codes, so here's it. So here, right? So you sign up for an extra 20% off your first order, right? You guys see it?
yes,
So you guys can sign up. And then you can use the discount code on your seller app on your order. So you go here and then click on 20% discount. See it?
oh,
I mean, it's still not the best ROI, but it helped, right?
Hey, Louis, quick question.
Mhm.
So you find a product and so you plug in all the numbers in SellerAmp. After that, do you look at Keepa just to just to get the okay? And then also, could you give us a little bit more examples on Keepa, like with the graph, like what to look for, and how do we know if the product is actually a good product to
Yeah.
purchase or not?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so if it doesn't meet this criteria, I don't usually go to Keepa. So this one has a low ROI. 7%, right? So this one's a skip. You guys agree?
15 to 20, right, is where we want to be at.
Yeah. So
Okay.
low ROI, someone wants to skip.